Hey there, friends. Welcome back to HerbNerd TV. Today, we're tackling one of the most heated debates in public health and personal liberty: mandatory vaccinations. Should the government require vaccinations to protect public health, or should individuals have the right to choose whether or not to vaccinate? Let's dive into both sides of this complex issue. Imagine a community where everyone is vaccinated against diseases like measles, polio, and COVID-19. The result? Herd immunity, which protects those who can't be vaccinated, such as infants, the elderly, or individuals with compromised immune systems. Vaccinations have been one of the most effective tools in reducing the spread of infectious diseases, saving countless lives over the past century. On the flip side, some argue that mandatory vaccinations infringe on personal freedoms and individual rights. They believe that each person should have the autonomy to make their own health decisions without government interference. This perspective often stems from concerns about medical autonomy, bodily integrity, and fear of side effects from vaccines, even though vaccines are rigorously tested for safety and efficacy. Supporters of mandatory vaccinations point to the collective responsibility we have to protect vulnerable populations. When vaccination rates drop, outbreaks of preventable diseases can occur, putting everyone at risk. For instance, in recent years, we've seen a resurgence of measles in areas where vaccination rates have declined, leading to serious health consequences and strain on healthcare systems. Moreover, during a pandemic like COVID-19, widespread vaccination is crucial in controlling the spread of the virus and returning society to normalcy. Governments argue that requiring vaccinations is not just about individual choice but about the greater good and ensuring public safety. However, opponents raise valid concerns about government overreach and the importance of informed consent. They worry that mandatory vaccination policies can lead to mistrust in the healthcare system and may disproportionately affect marginalized communities. Additionally, some fear that government mandates set a precedent for future medical interventions, potentially eroding personal freedoms. There's also the issue of religious and philosophical exemptions. While some people oppose vaccinations on religious grounds, others cite personal beliefs or mistrust in pharmaceutical companies and government policies. Balancing these exemptions with the need to maintain high vaccination rates is a significant challenge for policymakers. So, where do we find the balance? It's essential to consider both the public health benefits of widespread vaccination and the individual rights that people hold dear. Education plays a crucial role in this balance. By providing accurate information about the benefits and risks of vaccines, we can help individuals make informed decisions while still promoting the overall health of the community. Furthermore, policies can be designed to encourage vaccination without being overly coercive. Incentives, such as tax breaks, access to certain services, or even public recognition for vaccinated individuals, can be effective in increasing vaccination rates without mandating them outright. In the end, the debate over mandatory vaccinations is not just about vaccines themselves but about how we, as a society, value public health versus personal freedom. It's a delicate balance that requires ongoing dialogue, mutual respect, and a commitment to finding solutions that protect both individual rights and the well-being of the community. What do you think? Should the government mandate vaccinations to protect public health, or should individuals retain the right to choose? Let's get the conversation started in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of mandatory vaccinations and the tension between public health and personal freedom. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to HerbNerd TV for more discussions on important and thought-provoking topics. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.